Hi, Abigail. When you open up the workbook for the Excel project, the one that you got back after it was graded, if you look at the first tab, it says submission-markup. And on this page, they'll tell you where they deducted the points. So you've got points deducted in two places. 13.5 points, there were cell level incorrect actions, and there's comments in place. We'll look at those in a second. And then the second point was deducted because you didn't put the labels on the bar graph. So let's go back over to the questions. And the first said there's 45 cells commented in place. And the comments are going to be right here where you see that little red notation next to the cell. And if you move your mouse over it, you can open it up and see what the comment is. So it says there's a project error there in that cell. You didn't put the formula to the right formula. And in fact, right here, they tell you the formula that they want you to use. And if you go down each of these, you'll have the same error there, and it'll tell you what the formula should be. So that's a pretty easy fix on your part. The second thing has to do with the graph here, and if you just follow the directions here, they wanted you to add some labels, which apparently you didn't do, that were given in the directions, because that was in cell C, this cell here, instruction 8, not a cell 8, instruction 8. And then the other one was down here, and you did ask a question about this one, and again, they've highlighted, if you highlight it with your mouse, go over, and it'll tell you that you didn't set the formula correctly. They want you to send it to the sum product of those two cell ranges shown there. You didn't do it correctly. I don't know what formula. I can't actually see the formula you put in because I don't have the original sheet, but you've put, oh, I can see it up top there. You see you didn't put it in. You did a count if, and that's not the correct formula. If you notice up top, you can see your actual formula. So again, there's where you're, that's how they'll highlight the mistake. So if you put your little cursor over here, you'll see that what you put in up top there, you did a count if, and they wanted you to do a count if, and you didn't do the right, you didn't refer correctly to the questions page there for the B8 reference. It's getting confused on what you want to use for the total there. So that's why you were marked off on that. So hopefully this will help you. And this will come out each time that you do one of the Excel projects and you get it back. The first page will always summarize where the points were deducted. And then you can go and look on your actual question page to see the feedback that they're giving you. And it's usually very detailed feedback. So you can make any corrections to your original worksheet and then resubmit it.